Right, we're going to relace and rebuild an Africa Twin front wheel twin disc RD07. So I should have filmed it, but I didn't. I blasted the hub. I did cover the bearings. Etched prime, and then satin black sprayed, and looking pretty good in actual fact. So put the speedo drive seal in, and now I'm just about to put the plain side seal in. The seals from a online bearing or seal supplier, much cheaper than the Honda ones, and they'll do same job. So pack them up. I took the covers off the bearings, these little blue sections. You can pick them off and you just shove grease in that goes through the balls and just repacks it, so it works. So it's a bit of a pinch in. You can sort of feel when it's down. He's in. So I took these spokes off a previous wheel because they're in good order. They're stainless steel. You've got an inside and you've got an outside, and they are slightly different lengths, only about 6 or 7 millimeters, but it make a difference. And we've got the nipples, and we've got the original little seat washers, which you don't really need, but I've got 32 out of 36, so I shall use them again. So to get myself started, I put it on the floor, and I'm doing the outer ones, and you naturally find where it should point, and then 2, 3 away, poking through there. But the spokes, I'm just greasing the end very lightly. So there we go. In 1, 2, 3. He's facing the right way. So he's in. Another nipple. See what happens. Well, that went pretty smoothly. So what we'll do now is we'll clean and then grease up the ends of these, and I'll lace those into there. Do the same. It's the outers, and it's got to find a natural position. Now so I say I'm putting these on dry at the moment because this is just to locate them, and then I'll put them back, rework them again. So if that was 3, the next one's got to be 3. So into there, we go him. 1, 2, 3. That one. So it does seem to be working. So it's the outer ones are going in. Gently slide them in. He comes round. From there, 1, 2, 3, this hole. There's in. Next one. In the outer. Find position. There we go. 1, 2, 3. This one. So that's all the outer ones in, and they're roughly in position, but now I've got a wheel. First of the shorter inner spokes going in, natural position, and looks like it's there. And we can go there, 1, 2, 3 in. we're done. So we're all laced and it looks like a wheel, so but obviously it's all very loose, so we're going to put it on the frame, then we're going to take each nipple out, put the washer underneath, and a small amount of, I'm going to put a copper slip on. I don't know if it's right or not, but it feels like the right thing to do. Wheels there, obviously not set, so I'm going to take each one out there, then little double grease, and these are the original Honda washers. We're all greased very lightly, and we're all in place, and we're round. So now start to bring them in and hopefully get a round wheel. So I'll set up my measure in a moment. We need a measuring stick. You could use anything really, I just happen to have this magnetic base. So the wheel is in, so we can see where we are, and we're a long way from, well no, we're not a million miles away from good, but now we've just got to start screwing it together and making it go round. Not good. It just takes a long time trying to work out how to pull it back, so if it's deep there and then right opposite it's not, so I've got to bring the rim down from there, so that's got to move up and that's got to move down. Well, we're getting there. It's about half an hour so far, no more. I mean, it looks terrible, but it's coming. I should a little bit more twig. I've got to tighten it up now. This is the widest gap. This, of course, is the joint in the rim. So there's a natural bump there, and I'm never going to escape that. But when you think about when you put your tyre on, and this ain't a racing bike, I think it's going to be okay. A little tweak more. So that's the side to side or lateral movement. That's pretty good. Point there. So all I do then is tighten these two, loosen that one.
Politicians,
happy with that.
In the frenetic build-up to war. And in the years since, it's remarkable how many of the stories I've covered as the BBC security correspondent have emerged from the afterthought.
So the tyre is on now. Now we're going to put the discs on, and we kept these free of paint so that they should sit nice and square. Seals are in. Probably the best to get these torqued correctly. So I put the discs on the same side. So this is the 42 Newton meters. There we go. And down. We're on. Need to do the calipers up, give them a good tightening to torque, but yeah, really happy. Yep, it works. Did what it was supposed to do. That goes round. But yeah, really good job. Excellent. I think I had a distorted hub, which is why I rebuilt this one. And the brakes were pumping. But now they don't. So, very good.